Hey guys, so I thought I would make another vlog. I really love making vlogs and I feel like I connect so much with you guys when I make a vlog. So let me know what you think and if there's any kind of videos that you want to see. But I thought I would still make some vlogs at least maybe once or twice a week just so you can see what's going on over here. So one of the things I'm going to do today is I have some unboxings to do for my work. And they sent me this really cute, it's a dog harness and it's got Ben's name and our phone number if he gets lost. So I'm gonna do an unboxing for this. And the same company also sent me a giant dog bed. And this thing was all packed down into like the size of a soccer ball when they mailed it to me, which is crazy. And it started expanding. So I'm gonna open this up and it's like a very soft, comfy, they say it's kind of a therapeutic bed for dogs that have fears or anything, which will be good for Maggie because she can be scared of thunder. So I bet she'll end up on this bed, but that's what I'm doing. And we're hoping to go golfing, but it's pouring rain outside right now. So I don't know, we're gonna see if it lightens up a little bit later. But yeah, let's go. So I think actually before I do the dog unboxing, I have these socks to do and they're for, I think they're more for circulation, diabetes, things like that. So I think they wanted me to wear the blue ones in the video. So I'm gonna do that video. And then I have a bra video. They sent me a bra and it's beautiful from the UK. I'm not obviously wearing it on camera, but I'm gonna take it out and talk about it because it's so pretty. And then I'll probably do the dog bed. So I thought I would show you the compression socks I have on my feet. I think they're actually probably pretty good for people. They feel very tight on me. Hang on. See? They're super duper like tight. But I guess it's good for people who have diabetes or stand on their feet all day. When I used to do stand-in for, I did actually stand in for Elizabeth Mitchell. Look her up on a Hallmark movie. I've done a few different actors, but I really like doing it for her. But that was a lot of standing. I would be standing sometimes up to 12 hours a day on a movie set. So these would have been good for that. Other than that, I don't think I'd wear them. They feel very tight, but I think that's what they're supposed to feel like. But yeah, these would have been good for that. Looks like it's stopping raining, finally. Okay, we're just gonna run over. I'm gonna jump in my husband's car. We're gonna run over to our friend's house because it's been raining so much and they're away. They want us to check that their basement isn't flooding. So we're gonna go do that. Oh yeah, and one more thing. So I never used to wear pink at all, like this color. And I had a client, I was doing a green screen video and I was wearing blue. And he said, you should try pink. Pink looks really good with a green backdrop. I guess it's to do with the color wheel stuff. So I went out and I got a couple of pink shirts and I love it. And I started wearing pink like in a lot of my videos because I guess if you don't know, I make spokesperson videos for products and services. That's my other thing, my full-time job. And I think it just grabs people's attention quicker. So I've been looking for more of these because this is literally the perfect pink. And I couldn't find anything that had like just exactly like this. Then I went back to the store where I got this one, not even thinking they'd have any left because I bought this a few months ago. They had them, not only did they have them, they were on sale for like 20 bucks. So I bought 3 more. Yeah, pretty funny. Anyway, okay, now let's go. Still raining a little, but it's not like pouring. Very green. But their yard is really nice. They don't have any dogs to mess up their yard. We have to cut our grass. We haven't even cut it yet this year. Ben can't decide if he actually wants to go outside. He's just sitting on the top. He doesn't really like the rain. Okay guys, so time for some lunch. I'm gonna try to eat something healthy. I've been eating kind of not great for a couple weeks, so I thought, oh, I need to start cleaning up my act a little bit. I kind of go through stages where I just kind of go bad for about 2 weeks and then I go, okay, and then I stop and then I get good again. So I think I'm gonna have some fruit and some yogurt for lunch today. Hey guys, so I just had to run out and get another light because I realized when I'm doing the green screen, the back of me has to be lit up properly, and that's a green screen thing so that the whole screen is lit the same because you cast shadows. And it didn't used to be an issue, but as I'm getting into higher end corporate videos, I needed to get new lights. So I just went to a photo studio that I really liked downtown here. They were so amazing, and they even gave me a deal on the light. I got this new light, a ProMaster. I'll unbox it so you can see it, but it was regularly $230 Canadian, and they gave it to me for $180, which was awesome. But the guy there was amazing. So if you go to Dawn's Photo, Winnipeg, go see Sam. Anyway, I'll show you it. Hang on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is a box that came in, and I'll flip it around. And then it comes in this really nice case. So let's open it. And there we go. So it's got the battery charger. Here is my panel light, and then to plug it into the wall. And I also have another attachment here, which we already put onto the tripod, because I bought a tripod for it as well, even though I'm going to use it at the base on the floor sometimes to light up behind me. So, okay, and up here you can see is, I think that's a clicker. That's right. We didn't have to use that today, but I guess it has a clicker with it as well. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on and show you guys what it looks like. Actually, before I turn it on, I just thought I would show you a little closer. The front, and there is the back. So this sucker's going to give me some good light. I'm going to use it both behind me and in front of me when I'm taking videos. Okay, so I showed you my lighting setup here before, and I'm getting some shadows behind me. So this light is going to, and I'll show you on another video the shadows behind me, but this is going to take those away. So that's the general idea. I have it kind of pointing up, and it should take away any shadows that I had behind me. So I'm gonna do a video and we'll take a look. So I still had some shadows with my green screen, and it's still something with me with the lighting. So I have to figure that out, because I know I needed that light. I probably don't have it placed quite right, but I might get someone to help me. I don't know. I'm so close to having it right, but I can still see my shadow a little bit. So I don't know. I'm going to have to look into that. I'm also using that same panel light though in front of me, and it gives me such a nice bright look for my other videos. So I'll put that on here too quickly so you can have a look, but it really brightens me up. But I just had this arrive. So this is a mat they want me to unbox and show in the kitchen or bathroom. So I'm excited about that. It looks like it's quite cute. And I also got this jump shaper, which I got to unbox. It's like a skipping rope without the rope, although this one comes with the rope or without, and it's pretty cool. It's actually for travel, so I'll have to unbox that. And I had one other thing, but I don't know where I put it. So yeah, I don't know where I put it. Oh wait, found it. Hang on guys, I was making lunch and I took it with me. A plaque blaster. So I'm not exactly sure how that's gonna work, but I have to do an unboxing of that. So that's what I'm up to today. Hey guys, finishing off probably one of my last videos for the day, I think, because it's getting near the end of the day. I have to make dinner at some point for my poor family, but this one's in a car, and I actually like doing these. I find them kind of natural. That's usually what they're going for, is more of an authentic style video, so I have to make sure I'm not shaking. Maybe I'll wrap maybe the steering wheel. But anyway, yeah, these are fun. Like I said, really easy to do. Just my iPhone, a little mic, and that's about it. Natural lighting. I always turn the car around so I can get the lighting. This time of day is usually pretty good. Late afternoon is not too bright. Kind of like even the golden hour can be good. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing now, and probably take the dogs for a walk after that. Thought I would show you guys. We ended up going out for a walk with the dogs, and they're super wet. Ben, are you wet? Maggie hates the rain. She's going home. Okay, so I'm gonna go and watch a show now. Look at my hair. I don't know if your hair does that, anybody, but the more humid the weather. I've straightened my hair like 3 times today and it just slowly curls. But anyway, hope you guys have a good one, and I will see you again tomorrow.